Cash, where are we? We're here at the Tulsa Zoo. Uganda is 8 feet and 1 inch tall.
Yeah.
Cash, can you say Komodo dragon?
Komodo dragon.
He's sleepy lizard.
What is that?
You say sea lion?
Sea lion.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
Sea lions are
Here he
out.
comes, Cash. Look above you. Look above you.
Oh my God.
Wow. Oh, there he is.
Sea
Nice swimming. What do you see over there?
Monkey.
Monkeys? What else? See some turtles in the water and fish. Yeah, there's a catfish over there. Pretty cool.
Hello there.
Oh, they're going down there. They're down on the little ladder. Cale, what is that? I've never seen that ladder over there. Oh. Hi!
Oh my gosh. Cale, right here.
That was a great shot. Mommy's favorite. I think Kayla likes them too. You like them? He's like, his head no. He says no to everything though. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Feel free to leave us a comment. If you want to keep up with the rest of our travels and see more cool videos like this, please subscribe. Check us out on our website, www.familytravelgo.com, and we'll see you in the next trip.